unbelievable.
How many birds have you? Won't you do the first?
I've never seen that many purple martins in my life. Uncountable. The more I zoom in, the more there are. So beautiful.